Thank you for watching this. I'll show you how I use the battery operated brush cutter Einhell Agillo 18200. There is a button, you press it and you can see battery level. Now I have 2 out of 3, but I will change it because I don't want to drain it off. Here I have my solar panel that is charging the battery while I'm cutting the grass. Look, here is charging from my battery. I have the inverter and the 100 watts solar panel that is charging that battery. So now I will install this one. I think it's like this. Click, OK, press the button. Yeah, I have to also in this one. I will use it for 20 minutes, even if it's enough for 40 minutes, but I don't want to drain it all. So 20 minutes and then I will switch again the batteries. This way I can cut the grass continually without having to stop. Let's go! I will show you my work. 2 hours and around 2 hours I cut, let's say 200 square meters approximately, maybe less. This land is 500 square meters. and this is what I've done in the last 2 hours. A problem that I encountered, not with the plane but with the charging system. Outside it is around 32 degrees Celsius. As I'm charging continuously, I left this charger in the sun, and I saw that there is a overheating protection. This LED here, and there is a thermometer. I didn't know what it is because I noticed that the batteries are not charging anymore when I came to switch it. So I saw that this was overheated. So now I put this sunshade. I have also a tree here, but it's around noon, 1 o'clock, so the sun is up and it's going straight to my trunk, hitting the charging system. Let's see if the batteries are charging. Okay, do have wattage. Yeah, it is charging now. Yeah, you see the overheating LED, it's not blinking anymore, so it's charging. While the batteries are charging, let's have a break and eat some amazing blackberries directly from the nature. Guys, it's too hot. I'm done for now. I'm taking a small lunch break. I will return in 1 hour to finish that piece there up. I still have to do this. I think with 2 fully charged chargers I'll be able to cut it off. I'm back. I had a lunch break. I fully charged my 2 batteries, and now I still have 1 hour of work to go. The storm is approaching, so I hope that with 2 batteries fully charged I'll be able to finish the work in 1 hour. It's very easy to assemble this Einhell Agillo tool. Okay, I assembled the tool. I need to install the battery. Okay, connected with the harness, and I'm ready to go. Let's go. Guys, the storm is almost here. This is the last piece last 2 square meters that I need to cut. Mission completed. I finished all 500 square meters of land today before the storm. Well done, Einhell. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the content.